Fuck. Guess what time it is? Time to cook. I'm Gabe Jasper, and this is the cooking show with Gabe. And today we are gonna make some food. We're gonna make a chocolate souffle, chocolate cake. So today, our first ingredient is going to be we're gonna get some food. So let's take a trip to the refrigerator and see what's cooking in the, well, it's a, okay, let's see what we got in the fridge. For chocolate, alright, we've got milk, half and half, so it's extra creamy. That's Mom! Mom, where's the chocolate? Mom! Mom! Okay. Oh, eggs. Eggs? There we go, eggs. Right. Eggs. These are Nellie's eggs, but I don't think it really matters who makes them. Oh, they come from a chicken. Alright, so here we have our ingredients. We've got eggs. Well, I don't have any chocolate, so we're gonna use the Skinny Cow individually wrapped for freshness. You can see that 6 flow sandwiches, and this has chocolate and vanilla, so it's kind of a combo cake, if you will. And we've got the eggs and the half milk, and we have a wide range of sugar to choose from. You can choose whatever you want. I like to mix the yellow and pink because it really shakes up the flavor. So we'll just put the rest away. And let's get started with the cooking. Alright, so we seem to be out of bowls for the moment, so I'm going to use this reusable bowl. It's a Glad bowl, so you know it's happy, if you will. I don't have any of the recipe on hand right now. It's over there, so I'm just going to free wing it. We're going to start with the milk. I would just do as much as seems necessary, but you know, not too much. We're going to add our sugar. And just like that. Make sure it gets everywhere, because you want to make sure that the sugar is evenly distributed around the bowl as to achieve and you can open these with any household knife. Really, it's not as complicated as it seems. Okay, and just pop the whole thing. Might make a bit of a mess. That's okay. Having fun here. Use a knife too if you need to. Just want to pry open. Oh, that's disgusting. All right, so just put the put the egg into the bowl. If you want a crispy flavor to your cake, you can add some shell. Just like that. Not too much because it's not that great to eat. We have our flour here, and we're just going to add some to the mix, enough so that it really kind of just mixes with the mix. And after this step, you want to use, I would recommend a spoon to sort it all around, but I will be using a fork. And if you want to be very adventurous, you can use some gelt. Jewish chocolate and just mix it in. Crack it in half. It's a Gimel. And you see how the yellow starts to mix with the white stuff, and that really, is that pink? Is that pink? Oh, that's the shell. Really just enough that it really gets all the stuff together. Keep stirring until all of the material is completely in equilibrium, smooth. And might want to go the other way just to be sure. And I think that's alright. That's all set. And you can see totally cooking. Transfer it to a microwave safe bowl. This is very important because you want to make sure that your souffle is safe. Just gonna transfer it like that, and there we go. And it looks a bit good now, but wait till after the microwave, it'll be really good. I'm just gonna put this here so you can see like that, and we're just gonna put it in to the microwave, and we're gonna hit the cake button. We'll say popcorn and like -3, just to be safe. As you can smell, smells very eccentric, as it were. And we're gonna try a little bit of the cake. That is great. And basically I think we're done.